Green, 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 green. Ooh, green, 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 green. Oh, broken and green. Choose comfort zone in her home. Keep watching.
Happy New Year, JTC fam. Oh my God, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. If you're new here, pull up a seat, sit down, hit that subscribe button and that bell down below so you can be reminded of when I am coming to you with some new recipes that are delicious from my home to your home. Oh my God, I hope you guys are ready for 2020 because if not, it's here. You just got to be ready. You know, if you ain't ready, better get ready because it's already started. Um, so excited. I'm going to spend this afternoon with my babies, both of my daughters. So hopefully you'll see my oldest in here a little later. So today, I made today something quick. So I will do just a few recipes. As you can see, I have my greens coming in my instant pot with some turkey tails, smoked turkey tails. Then I'm gonna make roasted um, cauliflower, which I am gonna make in my new Ninja Foodie Deluxe. So what I all have in here, which I'm gonna show you in a moment. Um, I am gonna roast it, but first I'm gonna pressure cook the cauliflower. I'm gonna split it, cut it up, split it in the middle so I can brush some of this on when it's time to roast. So first to start it, I'm going to pressure cook this for about 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes, not even that, probably like 5 minutes or so. So in here, I have some garlic powder, onion powder, olive oil. I have some turmeric, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, a little salt, herb de Provence, parsley, dry parsley, and smoked paprika. Yeah. So, anyway, so I'm going to get started. Oh, and I also put in some balsamic vinegar, a little bit, just a little bit. And I'm going to splash it with a little bit of lemon juice. I'm going to put it in here, so. And I have some minced garlic as well. So, stay tuned. I'm going to come back to you to let you see how this all works. I'm sure you know how to work it. I did I did a video on how to pressure cook something in the Ninja Foodie Deluxe. So, I'll let you see how we're going to roast this up. And then I am also I'm having collard greens, mustard greens, right? No, sorry, turnip, right? Okay. I forgot which greens she brought. I'm sorry. So I have some collards, I have some turnip, and I have some kale with some smoked turkey tails. And you have to have your black eyed peas. Yes, yes, yes. That also has some smoked turkey tails in it as well. I have some yellow rice that I made. We're going along with that, like I said, is the cauliflower, and I'm frying up some perch. Just something simple and quick. Nothing, you didn't have Thanksgiving, you had Christmas. You want something light for the new year just to bring it in and stay blessed. So, how many of you have your black eyed peas on stove? Yes, baby, you need those. Much luck to all of you. And I hope that the Lord just have, anointing on your life this year and bring you to all the things that you need to do to complete to be successful. And may he bring joy to your life and family. Today is my father's birthday today. Happy birthday in heaven, Daddy. Next month will make 1 year. He's been gone. He's still here spiritually. His body ain't here, but he's still right here. Anyway, not gonna get emotional. So don't forget to like, share this video with your family and friends, and comment down below and let me know what you think about this and what is your New Year's plans. What do you have, goals? I don't like to say resolution because, look, we make the same things, but what is your goals to get on a path to be successful and to grow? Anything. It could be anything you ever dreamed of growing, what growth you want for this year. Also, so I have to say about the 100 subscriber giveaway. So as you know, I did not make 100 subscribers. I think I'm only at 8. So I didn't see anybody participate. I didn't have any DMs. So I may come with the giveaway later on in the year. So, well, in a month or two with another one. Let me know if it was too hard for you, a challenge. I think a challenge is really good. So maybe I did too complex. Let me know. Give me some tips and tell me what you think. So I'm going to get back in the kitchen because my older daughter on the way. She has to be to work at 2 today. So let me get this dinner finished and popping. So I'll be right back, y'all. Hey, guys. So I have it in my basket. And sorry for the error. I meant we are going to pressure cook the cauliflower for 3 minutes. And then we're going to roast it. Hey, guys. Welcome back. I'm going to put this lid on. Lock it. I'm going to pressure cook this. I put 6 minutes so it can give it time enough to heat up and start doing its thing. We want to make sure that this is placed down in here for steaming. Pressure cooking. So we're going to do 6 minutes on low and we're going to pressure cook, okay? So now all we got to do is hit everything's locked in place. Let's go. All right, so this is preheating. So maybe I shouldn't have did it because it's preheating, right? I'm stopping this because I'm going to change this time back to, I'm going to put 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay? So I'm going to put 3 minutes and then now we're going to start. Sorry, because I thought it needed to preheat, but it doesn't. Greens have 4 minutes left. Look, guys. 4 minutes left. Ow. And it smells good in here. All right, so that's preheating. 4 minutes left. My grease is getting hot and ready for my fried perch. So we'll be back. Wait. Oh, all right. Sorry, guys. All right, so this has been steamed. I think 3 minutes is too much. I was just trying to follow instructions. But, all right, so on 390, we're going to ear crisp this for 10 minutes. All right? So here I have all the ingredients that I told you about earlier. And we're just going to brush this on, making sure it gets all over there. Sorry, it's kind of hard. I got all this stuff going on in here. You can see? All right. I'm brushing it on. That's what it looked like. I'll come over so they can see it. So brushing it on. So we're cooking this on 390, 10 minutes. All right? I'll be right back. I'm telling them I'm going to put it on 390 for 10 minutes. Be right back. We got some Italian blend cheese on top. So now I'm about to, like I said, 390 for 10 minutes. It won't let me put it on 10 minutes. So I'm going to just leave it at 20 and I'll stop it in 10 minutes to see what it comes. So we'll be back with the whole setup. Hey guys, look at the cauliflower right there. Yummy. Look, we trying to video. Look over there, Jazzy, the other way.
Okay, what? The whole?
I don't know, the whole, yes. Look, we a mess. Anyway, We just want to wish you guys a happy new year. Here's my little diva.
Happy New Year.
That's my baby Sabrina. She's going to be in more videos soon. Watch, you know. But anyway, we're about to eat. She's about to go to work. I look a mess. My lips look, ooh, white. Anyway, I love you guys. I'll be back to show you the dish. Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. All right, y'all. So here we got. Y'all see that? So this is the perch, but I was gonna grab for that. Ooh, and the cheese. It cooled off a little bit. Nice crunch on top. Like I said, I wouldn't. Black eyed peas, banging. I would do the pressure cooker a less time, but I guess you can only do 3 minutes. Maybe I should have stopped it before, because it softened it a little bit too much for my liking. But the flavors and everything is really delicious. Don't mind my hair. Washed it and let it air dry some. And the perch. Crunchy. Alright. I'm about to sit down and eat. My oldest diva went on to work. So, thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Let me know what you think about this cauliflower recipe. And like I always say, don't forget to subscribe, please. And hit that bell down below so that you can stay updated for when I am coming from my home to your home with some new delicious meals and recipes so that you can enjoy and try. So, as I always say, guys, I love you. Stay blessed. And peace out. And Happy New Year again. Mwah.